How to apply for UAE Golden Visa for nurses, step-by-step guide. If you're a nurse working in the UAE, here's great news. You can now get a 10-year Golden Visa, giving you long-term security and opportunities for your family. Let's see how to apply. Step 1. Check your eligibility. You need a valid UAE nursing license, DHA, MOHAP, or DOH, minimum 2 to 5 years of experience, a diploma or degree in nursing, sometimes a no objection certificate, NOC, from your employer. Step 2. Prepare your documents, passport and photos, nursing license and experience certificates, educational certificates and good conduct certificate, employment contract and NOC, if required. Step 3. Apply through the portal. In Dubai, use GDRFA Dubai. In other Emirates, use ICP Smart Services. Upload your documents, fill the forms, and submit your application. Step 4. Medical test and biometrics. Complete a medical fitness test at an approved center. Do your biometric scan for the Emirates ID. Step 5. Fees and approval. Fees usually range from $1,900 to $4,000. Once approved, you'll get your 10-year visa, and you can sponsor your spouse, children, and parents. And that's it. Applying for the UAE Golden Visa as a nurse is straightforward and offers long-term security. Start your application today and secure your future in the UAE.